Hi guys. This is something off the track. Repairing the crack on the windshield, preventing from spreading. What is happening is for the machine right there. Yes sir, can you give us a little tutorial about how you are doing the repair? What does it do? Like,
so right now it has 7 stages for each cycle. The first stage is you vacuum. The vacuum stage is vacuuming out all the dirt and small glass particles that's in there. And after that stage you have a degassing stage, which eliminates the air inside the chip. Once that's done, it goes to the next step, which is the actual injection of the acrylic resin. That this little capsule injects into the windshield. Once that's done, the machine beeps multiple times, and then you have to cure it with a UV lamp, which is this. The UV lamp cures it and makes the resin become harder than the windshield itself. So this way, when the weather changes and let's say in the summertime the windshield flexes because of the heat, that hard substance inside the chip will prevent it from spreading and cracking out.
Oh, okay. So now what we are doing is to prevent the crack from spreading.
Yes, sir.
All the grass, so it's like you are trying to just repair the crack.
Absolutely.
Guys,
but there is a small risk involved as well too.
Oh, okay.
Because of the pressure of the machine and other different factors in the process.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't happen often. It literally happens like less than 5% of the time. But it's still a risk involved when you're repairing this glass.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But for the most part, it has a good succession rate. For the most part. You want to get that 5% down to a 1%. And then down to a 0, you know?
All right. So this is more or less like what machine is this? It's a UV reel? UV reel?
Oh, the machine itself?
What machine is that?
What is it called? That's a good question. I did know the name of it. It's licensed out to Safe Light alone. So only Safe Light can get this machine.
Oh, okay.
What was the name of this? Automatic repair system, something like that. Automatic repair system.
Okay, that's the glass automatic repair system.
Yep.
That we're using to do the repair.
It's our newest technology too.
And it's a new technology, as we show you. We saw everything from scratch. So this the vehicle right here. You can look at the number plate, but just see the vehicle. And what we are doing is to repair the crack, the windshield crack. So all that is doing is to make sure the crack does not spread.
That's right.
Nice. And your name, sir?
Oh, my name is Jason.
Jason, yeah, that's Jason working on this car right now. Thank you, Mr. Jason. And we're just seeing the process and how this thing gets done.
Yeah. So, I'm into saving people money.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty cool though, man. It's a pretty cool device. We didn't always have this machine. We had other machines where you have to be a little bit more hands-on. But now I've had this for about a year and a half, 2 years almost. The man does everything. I don't really do anything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So how long will it take for it to get fixed?
7.5 minutes.
7.5 minutes?
Well, actually, put it like this. Altogether, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay.
The machine takes 7.5 minutes, and then you have to cure it for another 1.5 minutes or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So guys, it's gonna take about 7.5 minutes, and let's see the results.
Quiet too, right?
Yeah.
We got about 3 more cycles.
Oh. How many cycles in all do you have to go?
6.
6 cycles?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're over a little bit about, each cycle is about a minute, a little over a minute.
Oh, okay.
So all together for the machine, 7.5 minutes for the repair. Then the rest of the time will be the UV curing it.
Okay.
Or can use the sunlight to cure it.
Oh, okay. So you can use the sunlight or you can use the UV.
Absolutely.
And that's the UV right there.
Yep.
Just to cure.
Yep. Absolutely.
And do you put any chemical or anything inside, or is just trying to melt the same glass to grab it inside?
No. We use this. We call it's acrylic resin.
Okay.
So this little capsule right here this little capsule goes into the machine.
Oh, okay.
And when you first start off, you put it into the slot. You turn it and lock it in. If you don't lock it in, it'll shoot out.
Oh, okay.
And so what the machine does is it uses some of the resin to gather up all the dirt.
Oh, okay.
To pull it out and draw it out.
Oh, wow.
And then afterwards, they use the same resin to actually inject inside the chip.
Inside the chips. Okay.
Yep.
Right. And what kind of repair kit is that?
This is an HPX4 resin.
Oh, HPS4 resin. Okay.
Yep.
Guys, that's HPS4 resin. Okay.
Yep, advanced repair technology.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Here's a fun fact. Acrylic resin that we use is similar to the clear nail polish.
The clear nail polish.
Pretty much the same thing almost.
Oh, okay.
Even down when the ladies are in the beauty parlor, they get the nail polish on. That clear nail polish is to make their nails harder.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And so it won't break. Then they use a UV lamp as well.
Yeah, UV lamp. Okay.
To make it hard.
Yeah.
Same thing with this.
Oh, okay.
So acrylic resin has many uses.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's add up, man.
Oh yeah. Quite cool. I probably let the sunlight cure it.
Oh, okay.
When the sun is out, I'll just let that do it instead of the UV lamp on. All right, we're on the last cycle.
Is it gonna be hot?
No. Another thing is when you do the repairs, it has to be a certain temperature.
Oh, okay.
Well, not necessarily a certain temperature. Put it like this: in the wintertime, it can't go lower than 34 degrees Fahrenheit, or you have to heat the windshield up.
Okay.
In the summertime, it can't be no hotter than 84 degrees.
Oh, okay.
Or you have to cool it down. If you do the repair and it's over that temperature or under that temperature, it will cause a shock to the glass and it'll crack out.
Oh, okay.
So it has to be
within the temperature.
Between 34 degrees Fahrenheit and 84 degrees Fahrenheit.
Between 34
and 84.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Yep. You're gonna see how good it did is once it's done. Either it spread a little bit and got bigger, or it looks a lot better than where it did.
I know you know what you're doing, so you're not gonna have that problem.
Okay, it didn't clear up too much. Actually, it didn't clear up that way. They don't look that good. But that's the thing is with these repairs. I have another cycle I can put it on. It's not a cosmetic repair, so although we're repairing it, a lot of times it doesn't clear up, meaning that the chip won't disappear.
Okay.
Sometimes it'll clear up when you have a hard time looking for it. Like, oh wow, where's it at? Other times it doesn't do so good.
Right, look good. To me, this is the best.
Yeah, it's the best. I mean,
the only thing is shooting the chemical inside so that it doesn't spread.
So it doesn't spread. That's right. Absolutely. I'm glad it didn't spread. I mean, I told the guy that it was going to look the same. It wasn't going to change that much. Yeah. So hopefully, we'll see.
So what are you putting it on in right now?
This is called a pit fill resin. We just use this to seal the chip up. So you had a hole right there because of the rock.
Oh, okay.
So we just use that as a sealer. And that is in liquid form right now. In a minute, we're going to cure it. And then it's going to become hard.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to scrape off the excess resin once it's cured.
Okay.
So we only want the impact to be covered up.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to take off the excess in a minute. All right.
Guys, this is how you do a repair on a windshield. Because sometimes this windshield can cause you to buy a new windshield. But once you can get it right, professional to handle it, you wouldn't spend that much money to buy a whole windshield.
Now this is considered a chip. We have another damage that we call a crack, which is the line that goes across.
Okay.
If you have a line that goes across, we cannot repair it if it's longer than 6 inches.
Okay.
And when we have a crack, we can't use the machine. We have to manually put the resin in.
Okay.
And we depend upon the air to push the resin through.
Oh, okay.
Those repairs always come out looking nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yep. So it's almost done now. Now I'm just going to scrape off the excess resin. Cut my finger.
RBC, and guy right here happened to fix this crack. Guys, follow us on Vandosh RBC so that anytime we get videos like this, we bring it up to you. Thank you.